Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Safwan bin Razali.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Akmal Syahmi bin Saifuddin.
My name is Muhammad Faris Amar bin Muhammad Fitri.
I will tell you about our project overview. The fuzzy cement algorithm is the most systematic method for image segmentation. Image segmentation is the process of identifying the region of interest from an image. In this study, the FCM is used to detect cloud and non-cloud. The sky image taken from the National University of Singapore as public data were used, and the result will be evaluated by using the accuracy and sensitivity based on percentage relative error.
Introduction. First, solar energy. One of the sources of the green electricity is solar energy that has been used in the worldwide. Solar energy is energy from the sun that is converted into electrical energy. Next is image segmentation. Image segmentation is the extraction of the image detail for the computer version. The purpose is to cut down an image into an object to be more relevant to be evaluated. Lastly, in our study, we will use fuzzy cement algorithm, one of the most fuzzy clustering in image segmentation. Next is problem statement and objective. First problem statement, the presence of cloud will influence the amount of generated electricity for the solar energy system. Second, K-mean is the algorithm categorized objective pieces in the specific class. So, the data point will belong to one cluster only. So, the problem is the K-mean clustering is difficult in determining the optimal number of clusters. Then, our objective, first, to apply the fuzzy cement algorithm for image segmentation for cloud detection. Secondly, to evaluate the validity of fuzzy cement image segmentation by measuring the accuracy and sensitivity of the segmentation result. Significant and benefit. FCM is more compact compared to K-mean process since it displays all the elements that has an interface with more than one cluster. Next, it helps to future extend the use of the renewable energy resource so that the issue of the population will be overcome. Lastly, sky image segmentation for cloud detection will help the researcher to predict the generation of the solar energy. In this study, we are using FCM for the cloud detection. There are 26 ground sky images they were obtained from the National University of Singapore. And the segmentation will be done by using software MATLAB R2016A.
Fuzzy clustering originally developed by Dunn in 1973. Fuzzy clustering was then improved to FCM by Bezdek in 1981. FCM has become a benchmark for relevant cluster analysis and pattern recognition for fuzzy sets. Dunn and Bezdek have introduced the basic concept to establish fuzzy clustering and minimize the objective function. Based on Yang and Huang, FCM algorithm is the most systematic method used for segmentation of image because of its robustness. It can retain a lot of data compared to hard segmentation method. FCM is a clustering algorithm where each item is assigned to more than one group. According to Jin and Liu, FCM aims to find the center of a cluster which is known as centroids that minimize the dissimilarity function. According to Ben Moiza et al. In their research for the grouping of hourly solar radiation into C classes, the FCM algorithm was applied. The specification of the proper number of clusters was accomplished using process of subclustering. Besides that, Bo and al. State that the status of one given pixel belonging to cloud and non-clouds will accurately be explained by fuzzy clustering. Not only can the dense and visibility clouds be distinguished by operating the FCM twice, but the thin clouds surrounding the thick clouds can also be best identified.
Methodology and implementation. Phase 1. Data acquisition. The ground-based sky image which are public data were obtained from National University of Singapore. There are 26 ground-based sky images selected with resolution 600x600 pixels. We use MATLAB R2016A for this project. The segmentation method focuses on cloud and non-cloud region that have been specified in order to access the segmentation technique. All the images contain the region of interest which are generated in the consultation with cloud expert. Here the example of the image. Next, we go to phase 2, where the process of image segmentation using FCM. This phase consists of 8 steps. First step, where we set the value. This project is run in MATLAB, so the value of cluster C was experimentally set by 3, 4, and 5 while the fuzziness, exponent, and termination tolerance has been set by default with 2 and 0.0498 respectively. Next step, where we initialize the fuzzy membership, we did not add new ij. According to Boo, Fenchen, and Yushen, new ij is calculated by using this formula. Here we go to step 3, step 4, step 5. Step 6, where the clustering, center, and membership partition matrix update the partition. The update fuzzy membership partition was implemented by the using MATLAB, and it will keep looping until the kth iteration. Then in step 7 is check the conversion. If new k plus 1 minus new k less than epsilon, then it will stop the loop and pull up the result. But if not, the next iteration will continue back to step 3. Last step is where the result come out. Here the example image 0204.png was run in MATLAB. Last phase in methodology is performance evaluation. In this phase, we will calculate the accuracy. Here the step to calculate it. Step 1, we find the pixel of ROI area. This image shows the process where we manually determine the ROI area. Step 2, compute percentage relative error. After we get the total area ROI that contain cloud, then we calculate the percentage relative error using this formula, where X is the image that segmented by using FCM and Y is the result, expert result, which is GT image. After we get the percentage relative error for each images, then we can calculate the average percentage relative error with the total of percentage relative error over 26 images. Lastly, we calculate the accuracy. Note that the higher the accuracy rate, the more dependable the result will be. Next is sensitivity. Sensitivity is the proportion of positive that are accurately detected. This figure shows the recognition statistic of segmentation result. When or then, the sensitivity percentage calculate as following equation, where TP is the number of image rated as very good, good, and average. Fn is the number of image remain.
There are 3 parameters involved in FCM. The parameter consists of the number of cluster, termination tolerance, and weighting exponent. This parameter needs to be customized in order to get the precise and successful result in image segmentation. There are 2 parameters that have been set by default in this study, which are the termination tolerance is equal to 0.0067 and the weighting exponent is equal to 2. This segment shows 3 samples of original image with their corresponding segmentation result by using FCM for 3 different parameters of C, which are 3, 4, and 5. Initially, an experiment was carried out on ground-based sky image using FCM with C equal to 3, and then the same experiment was carried out on the same image using FCM for another 2 more parameters of C, which are 4 and 5, to demonstrate the difference in segmentation result when using FCM for different parameters. Based on the figure, it shows the segmentation result by FCM. When the parameters of C equal to 3, the pixel division of clouds and the sky seems a little clear. However, the cloud thickness is not very detailed. Another situation is when the parameters is set C equal to 4, the cloud thickness become clearer and pixel division for cloud and sky is more divided, and the segmentation result is better than parameter C equal to 3. For the use of parameter C equal to 5, the cloud thickness is very detailed and the pixel division of cloud and sky is very clear, as well as the resulting image is more prominent than parameter of C, and when parameter of C equal to 3 and C equal to 4. Hence, the finished result is more noticeable. Following investigated the variation of image that occur when parameter C is adjusted. Based on the 3 samples of ground-based sky image, the result revealed that the values of C equal to 5 is the optimal value to achieve the best segmentation result when compared to the value of C equal to 3 and 4.
The histogram show the average area of FCM for C equal to 3 and the GT image. They are the big difference for the C equal to 3, and then for the histogram C equal to 4, they are a small difference obtained from the FCM and the GT image. And lastly, it can be shown that C equal to 5, they are only a slight difference between the average area of image segmentation by using FCM and the GT image. So, when C equal to 5, it is more accurate from C equal to 3 and 4. The table shows the average percentage error of area and the accuracy. As we can see, when C is increasing, the accuracy is increasing too. So, since the average percentage relative error is small and the accuracy is high, so FCM is suitable to be applied in the segmenting of the ground-based sky image. Next, sensitivity. As we can see, the pie chart of the percentage of the number of images according to the relative error range for FCM equal to 3. For the result, we can see that there are 24 images in the poor section, so that for C equal to 3, the sensitivity is low, which is 3.85, show that the result is bad for C equal to 3. This is chart for C equal to 4. So as we can see, the change is the number of images that recognition are very good and good, increased to 5 and 3 respectively for C equal to 4, as well as recognition for average is 6, and the number of poor image is fallen into 11, which is a positive result. So the sensitivity for C equal to 4 is increasing to 53.85. Lastly, the pie chart show the sensitivity C equal to 5, which is the fuzzy Siemens method accomplished the same result as C equal to 4, which is 53.85. Even though the result remain unchanged, but C equal to 5 is better than C equal to 3 because the number of image for very good and good is increased up to 7 and 5 respectively. The number of image recognition as poor also decreased and lowest than C equal to 3 and C equal to 4, which is 10 image only.
In the nutshell, the fuzzy Siemens method is used in this study to detect cloud successfully. Next, the experimental result achieved that when C is equal to 5 is the best value for the cluster prototype. Finally, it can be justified that the FCM approach will effectively in achieving all the study's objectives. In future investigation, we recommend that to enhance the great result, we should manually configuring the parameter of C for each images. B. Use more data to get a better result because the greater the segmentation performance in the reported, the better the approach was applied in the images. Next, we recommend to use the improved fuzzy Siemens for more accurate result. D is collecting our own data for research purposes is very useful in maintaining the quality and accuracy of your research finding. That's all our presentation. Thank you for watching.